yesterday we arrested one Jafar Mohammed Qadri. He is about 23 years. He is a native of UP for kidnapping one 14-year minor girl from Daboli. So one incident took place on 30th May of kidnapping. In this, the father of the minor girl had given the complaint for kidnapping her minor daughter in the wee hours of morning of 30th May by some unknown person. So in this connection, we registered the crime under section 363 IPC and section 8 of Goa Children Act, and we started our investigation. So in this case, we carried out the investigation, and during the investigation, it was revealed that one Jafar Mohammed had kidnapped a minor daughter of the complainant. So we were in search of the accused, and for this, we have formed a team for the investigation. So during the investigation, due to the technical assistance and from our reliable sources, we came to know that the said Jafar Mohammed is presently in Navi Mumbai. So accordingly, our team headed by PSI Rohan Nageshkar left to Bombay at Cooper Khairan police station, and with the assistance of the Cooper Khairan police station, we took the search on the concerned place where we got his location, and we managed to nab the accused along with the victim, and we rescued the victim. So presently we brought the accused, detained and brought the accused at Vasco police station and placed him under arrest in this crime, and our further investigation is in progress.
Any section, sir?
No, presently we have applied section 363 and section 8. So after the medical examination of the victim girl, we will see whether we have to apply any other sections.